Hey, I'm Dave from Rain Harvesting, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our tank overflows. Overflows mount to your tank and allow water to escape once it becomes full. They're available in a range of sizes and shapes to suit your application. When you're choosing your overflow, it's important to make sure that it's sized equal or larger than your inlet pipe. First off, we're going to be installing an overflow with a gasket onto this tank here. Got a nice spot here where we're going to drill our hole, so I'm going to show you that right now. So I've got my drill here with my hole saw, and I've sized this hole saw according to the size of my overflow. So you just want the hole saw to be very slightly larger than the part of the overflow fitting that's going inside your tank. So I've also marked the center point for my hole, and I've put the appropriate safety gear on. So it took a little bit of effort, but I've managed to remove the plug from the hole and it hasn't fallen into the tank. So now we can clean up this hole and get ready to mount our overflow. So now that we've got the hole prepared, we want to do a quick dry fit of the overflow just to make sure that everything works accordingly. So this is a normal straight socket overflow, and you would just put it in position like that. This one, you don't really have to worry about the orientation so much as it's just completely circular. Whereas with our other overflows, like this high level overflow, we need to make sure that the inlet points in an upwards direction. So you just insert it through the hole like this and in place like so. You notice I've already got the gasket on this piece. When I'm putting the gasket on, I really want to make sure that the holes on the gasket align with the holes on the plastic part of the flange of the overflow. This really helps with install later. So I'll put this in position. And the top hole of this one should be at the top. So I'm ready to install. Just get my drill, put it on a low torque setting just to make sure that I don't strip out any threads as I'm drilling this in. And I only want to just do it up just tight enough so the gasket around the outside is barely bulging. So I'm going to continue this process for the remaining screws on this overflow. So that overflow's finished installation. Next up, we're going to show you how to install an overflow using our silicone method. So to install with silicone, what we want to do is apply a nice thick bead of silicone on the back side of the overflow mounting flange. And you want to probably put a little bit extra around the screw points because this is a potential source of leaking sometimes. So once I've applied that silicone on the back side there, I'm just going to place the overflow into the hole and press down pretty firmly just to make sure that that silicone melds with the opening of the tank there. So after that's done, I'm going to want to screw that overflow into place. And that overflow is now installed. To install a corrugated overflow, the first step is to cut a hole into your corrugated tank. You can do this with a number of different techniques. You can either use a pair of tin snips or a nibbler, but the effect is the same. You might find it easier if you dry fit your corrugated overflow on the outside of the tank and scribe a line on the inside just to make sure that it's in the exact right position for you. Next up, we want to put a large bead of silicone on the inside of the mounting flange of the corrugated overflow. And at that point, we can press the overflow into position. I haven't put silicone on this one just to make it a bit easier to show you, but the steps are still the same. Next, I'm going to grab your drill and with a low torque setting, just screw your overflow into place. You might find it easier sometimes to drill pilot holes for this, considering it's a metal tank. It's easy for me here because I have holes pre-drilled. And as I'm drilling this, I'm just making sure that the flange of the overflow is pulling down nice and flush with the outside of the tank. This is really important to get a good seal. And that's it. Your corrugated overflow is installed. For more information about this or any of our other overflow products, just jump onto our website.